1 slimming cider vinegar would prevent the accumulation of fat. It is even advisable to eat a piece of bread soaked in vinegar before each meal. This practice would have the benefit of giving a feeling of satiety and consequently reduce the appetite. A good way to fight against evening snacking. 2. Treatment of sore throat. The bacteria responsible for sore throats cannot thrive in the acidic environment created by apple cider vinegar. In addition, vinegar contains natural antibacterial properties. 1 hour before bedtime, swallow a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Half an hour later, swallow another teaspoon, then another just before jumping into bed. 3. Against blocked nose. Allergies. It contains vitamins B1, B2, A and E, as well as potassium and magnesium. These work together to clear mucus and clear sinuses. 3. To fight acne. There are 2 options in this case. You can either swallow a glass of cider vinegar or apply it to your skin. Either way, it will help balance the acidity of your pH level on your skin and fight unwanted acne flare-ups. 4. To fight against insomnia. High blood sugar is one of the reasons for insomnia. Vinegar will be particularly effective in lowering blood sugar levels, and for this you only need a teaspoon of cider vinegar before going to bed. 5. To cure stomach aches. If you are familiar with bloating and other stomach pains, don't hesitate to opt for cider vinegar. Simply dilute it in a glass of hot water to soothe these very unpleasant aches and pains when you go to bed. Thank you for spending some time with us. Natural Medicine. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. We'll see you back tomorrow.